Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Runa. So I'm here today to share with you guys a drugstore brow routine. Y'all know that I am a super product hoarder. Ain't no lying about that. The love I have for makeup should never be tested. I thought I should share with you guys some of the best drugstore brow products that I have found. So I did a brow routine of the one that I do all the time daily. That one is a little pricey. One brow pencil is like $20. I know. Don't come for me if you think $20 for a brow pencil is too much. I'm personally completely aware of it. So anyways, let's go ahead. This brow look is done with 3 or 4 products. I'm not sure. We're going to go ahead and just go in with it. I'm going to go in with this Essence Make Me Brow Gel. This is basically the dupe of, first I'm going to like brush out the brows though. They're looking real crazy. Like your girl does need to go to her brow girl. But you know, that's like a never ending thing with Runa. I don't go to the brow girl until I feel like it. I'm not on that 2-week plan. I don't do that 2-week thing. I ain't trying to have no brows. So anyways, I'll go in with this Essence Make Me Brow. You guys can tell this is definitely a dupe to the old Gimme Brow. So I'm going to do an actual brow battle. So basically all I'm doing is I'm taking this brow gel and I'm just brushing it to my brows. What this is going to do is set your brow hairs in a nice defined position, so it's going to look more full. And I think this even has like little particles or something in it that makes your brows look a little bit thicker. It's like a thickener. Yes, yes, master.
What are you doing?
Filming, finishing filming.
Why do you call me a master?
Because you always call me when I'm like trying to get shit done. So basically what the Make Me Brow does is it just defines your brows and it helps all your brows stay into one place. So this is with the Make It Brow, that's how it looks. And then that's with no brow gel, just natural brows. So if you can tell, this one obviously looks darker and like it's already kind of filled in, right? So yeah. Now moving on to the next step, I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer. This is my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is the shade Medium. And I'm going to go ahead and take my Real Techniques detailing brush. And I'm basically going to draw out, well, this is the brow that I did, right? Yeah. I'm basically going to clean up the crease and kind of draw a shape out already. And the reason why I do this is because sometimes it's very easy to overdraw your brows or like make them too thick, and if you don't trace them ahead of time. So I always like tracing out a shape in the beginning. So this is like my favorite method. You can do it some other way. If you feel like filling it in first and then going this route, then that's perfectly fine for you. Literally this brow routine is like so easy. It's not even that hard. It's basically like 2 products and then 2 to 3 products, and then we're going. So the next thing we're going to use is this Maybelline Total Temptation brow pencil. Don't know if you guys could see it. This brow pencil is amazing, you guys. It's my favorite out of all drugstore products. This brow pencil is like goals. They just came out with it, so it should be available everywhere. You know, I always link everything down below for you guys, always. But so basically what you're gonna do is, you see this area right here, these are all my bald spots. Bald spot, bald spot. This is not a bald spot, so I'm not gonna focus too much on this area. I'm gonna focus a lot in all the bald spots. Okay, so I'm just gonna take short strokes and fill in this area. I'm gonna do a battle of the brows tutorial soon for you guys. So it's gonna be drugstore versus, what is it? It's gonna be drugstore versus higher end brow products. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about my beauty battles that I'll be doing. Like, those are my favorite. I feel like I really love comparing products. It's my favorite thing to do. and tutorials. I love doing tutorials. Actually, I think I just love makeup, so like I love doing everything. So as you can see, I'm just filling in everything. Once you fill in and you see like it's getting a little thick, the strokes, you just go on with the spoolie and you blend everything out very nicely. And then like if you see like areas that get like really patchy-ish or like too much product went in that area because you went a little too heavy-handed, just brush it out gently. The key to having the best brows is to go very gentle with your hands. Just, you know, loosen up your grip. I always feel like that's how I get the best brows. There are some days where I just had too much coffee and your girl's like, That's when I just be looking hella crazy. So I know that looks like really messy right now, but you know, we can clean it up. We will fix it. To brush it through. It's all about blending with brows as well. Just like eyeshadow's about blending, brows are not too different. And it's all about covering these bald spots as good as you can. Okay, so now I'm just, you know, gonna shape the wing, you know, the outer part. And I'm just going to, you know, just define it. Sometimes I make it thick, sometimes I make it thin. It all depends on the day. The wing part of your brows is almost like, your eyeliner. Sometimes you'll have a really good brow day. Sometimes you won't. But trust me, nobody ever notices your good or bad brow days. Nobody ever does. Trust me. But once your brows are all done and shaped, I'm just going to go back in with the Make Me Brow. And I just go back in and basically lightly dust everything and position everything into its located areas. You know, just, you know, kind of make it like a little bushy in the front so it looks natural. And then I go on the ends. There you go. Same thing for this side. I don't know what it is, but my left brow is not my favorite brow. It always looks crazy, but there's more things in the world to worry about than how your brows look. So I'm not going to let that stress me out. So quick, easy brows with drugstore products. This is it. I used 3 products. So this is the finished product.